Hi there, this is a way to pay your estimated tax payment directly online with the IRS. So first navigate to irs.gov/payments. And when you're here, the screen's gonna look something like this. You're going to go down to this Pay Now with Direct Pay. Now, if you do have an account with irs.gov, you can also pay that way by logging into your account. But if you don't wanna mess with that, just go to this. Then you're going to click Make a Payment. For Reason, you're going to select Estimated Tax. For Apply Payment To, this is correct, the 1040 ES. And there's not a specific filing you have to do or anything. It's simply just a payment. And the tax period is going to be the current year, so 2022. And you'll click Continue, Continue. And it's going to ask you to confirm some information about yourself. And if you're married, filing jointly, you can also put your spouse's information, but that's not necessary. So go through this whole part, and then last but not least, it'll ask for your account and routing number of the bank account that you want to use to make your estimated payment. Once you've made your payment, I definitely recommend saving the confirmation screen that shows that you've made that payment, and also go ahead and upload it to the tax portal for next year if you'd like. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.